Hi, I'm Melanie, and today we'll be showing you how to make Toucan Tango using David Rio's Toucan Mango and our masala 1-to-1. And the reason why we call it a Toucan Tango is one, we're using our Toucan chai, but also because there's 2 ingredients in it and they go really well together, kind of like a tango. For this, you'll need David Rio's Toucan Mango, the masala 1-to-1, your steam pitcher, a barista whisk or a spoon, something to stir with, a measuring cup, a tablespoon scoop, and about 10 ounces of your milk of choice. I'm using oat milk. If you use alternative milk, this drink will be lactose free, but you can definitely use whole milk or non-fat milk if you'd like. To start, you're gonna get your Toucan Mango, and you're gonna use about 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. And then you'll get 3 ounces of the masala 1-to-1. Make sure you shake the bottle before you use it. That ensures that all the spices are evenly mixed. So that's 2 ounces. And the 3rd ounce. And then I still like to put about 1 to 2 ounces of hot water. The hot water just helps to make sure that everything gets dissolved. It can be difficult to dissolve into cold liquid. Once I've mixed the powder with the hot water and our chai, you're gonna get about 10 ounces of your milk and pour it in. And then heat up your chai. I like to heat up my chai to about 145, 150 degrees. This makes sure it's hot but still can be drank once you're done steaming it. And then once you're done heating it up, you can pour it into your serving mug. And then it's ready to serve. For more recipes, visit our website, davidrio.com. We'll be posting how to make it hot, how to make it ice, and other ways that you can serve our chai.